What's up guys, Ryan here. So this is a quick follow-up video to a video I made I think last month, a little while back, talking about selling print on demand on Poshmark. So when I recommended that, I was paying a tip forward from my 1-hour call that I had one-on-one with Printful's CEO. So I'm sure when he recommended selling print on demand on Poshmark, it was because people were doing it successfully. So I jumped on board. I made a bunch of product listings and told you guys that I would follow up with my results. So after getting my first sale, and this was a while ago, I just forgot to make the video, I learned very quickly that you can't ship, or basically the way it works is like you have to use the Poshmark shipping label. Or I guess I'm doing a bad job describing this. Poshmark requires you to buy a shipping label through them. So on top of Poshmark's referral fee for selling through their platform, you're also going to buy a shipping label through them, which is going to cut even further into your margins. So I sold like a $30 hat thinking that, and Poshmark's margins are pretty high. And I was going to get, I think like, I don't even have the numbers because I'll tell you why. I think I was going to make like $7, $8 of profit. And the hats I listed on Poshmark were all, I'd already paid the digitization fee for the embroidery, so I wasn't going to get hit with like a $6.50 charge on top of that from Printful and lose money. But after I found out that I had to pay Poshmark for the shipping label, they require this, I confirmed it with them, I was going to make like $2 or $3, like almost nothing. And this is without the digitization fee. This is just with Poshmark taking their fees and then me having to buy the shipping label. So I reached out to their support, confirmed the stuff, and said, hey, like, go ahead and, if this is the case, like, this is number one, this is crazy. Number two, like, cancel the order, refund the customer. Number three, cancel my account, because like I don't want to sell on your platform if I'm forced to use your shipping label. That's kind of absurd to me. And I'm sure they'll wise up to the fact that this is going to prevent them from getting a bunch of potential sales. Like, they should phone the CEO of Etsy and ask them what happened on Etsy when they allowed print on demand sales through the platform. Like, it brought a bunch of sellers, a bunch of customers, and everything was good. Everything was positive for the most part. Like, Poshmark's preventing us from joining their platform with this policy, or they're virtually like crushing our margins. I'd have to sell this hat for like $35. Who's really going to pay that? Probably not many people. So I just wanted to follow up and say that I no longer recommend selling print on demand on Poshmark for this reason. Someone actually tagged me on Facebook this week too and kind of reminded me, because I think they ran into the same issue, reminded me to make an update video and pass this along. It's not worth your time. Plus, keep in mind that there's no Printful plus Poshmark integration. So in order to do this, like, I was manually listing products on Poshmark, which was surprisingly easy to do. Like, sometimes it takes a while. It depends on the platform. Poshmark was like very fast, very easy. But, it was manually listing products and manually fulfilling orders, which is not the name of the game when it comes to passive income. We want it to be just that. We want it to be passive. And anytime that the M word, the manual word, gets dropped in, it's number one, it's not passive. Number two, it's not scalable. If for some reason things really take off, it's a good problem to have, but you'd be quite busy fulfilling these orders. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Just a quick one. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any questions, comments, feedback, if you're selling on some other weird platform similar to Poshmark or like Wish, hit me up below. Let me know what it is and let me know how it's working for you. Anyways, I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.